supervised. Today we will start unsupervised machine learning. I already have shared a content list with you. Please, all participants, open this content list. So we have two main module, which is supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning at our initial classes. Then when move to our advanced in machine learning, we'll move to deep learning and advanced topics. So first we are going to start from supervised machine learning. No, you can check in supervised machine learning many options you are already familiar with, like linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, and support vector machines. These parameters, these analysis you can also done by using statistical method, as well as you can use your machine learning tools to perform regression as a machine learning and regression as a statistics. Now, what is the difference between regression as a machine learning and regression as a statistical analysis? We also will explore in our today class. So our first module is supervised machine learning. I am going to share with you in Zoom chat. Please also save in your site, open your R and paste here. Module name is supervised machine learning. So first we need to understand what is mean by supervised machine learning. We have again three questions. Question number one, what is supervised? What is supervised machine learning? Question number two, why do we perform machine learning? Supervised machine learning. Question number three, type of supervised machine learning. So these types are given: linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree. These all are the types of machine learning. So first we will explore only two questions. What is machine learning? Question number one, what is supervised machine learning? And why do we perform supervised machine learning? You can also add another question like regression. What is the regression? What is the difference between statistical regression and machine learning regression and ML regression? In simple regression, it will just show you the relationship, but in machine learning, it will predict, it will show you this prediction or future predictions. No, please all participant find the answer of these three questions. First, copy two questions. I am also sending this question within Zoom chat. You can also find the answer with the help of Google, AI, or any other tool. Open ChatGPT, open new chat, and paste here, and send message. It is showing me here is the quick and clear version. What is supervised machine learning? Supervised ML is a way to train a model using label example. For example, inputs, age, income, and pixel. Label targets the correct answer for each input. For example, spam, not spam, or a price. The model learns a mapping from input to label so it can predict label for new unseen data. In simple words, you can show machine to different data set. For example, you want to show three picture to your computer. One picture is for cat, one picture is for dog, and one picture is for sheep. Cat, dog, sheep. And you have showed many picture of cat and labeled as it is a cat. You have showed many picture of dog and labeled as it is a dog. You have showed many picture to computer and labeled as sheep. When you showed these will train your computer. Computer will learn from your data and label information and will save information. After that, when you show you tiger picture, it will compare automatically with cat, with dog, and with sheep, and will let you know and give you its response. It is a it is looking like a cat based on appearance, based on color, based on style. It will decide it is looking like a cat. So if you write a message here, please give a simple example for supervised machine learning. It will show you a simple example and explain it with example. So here is the simple example. In daily life example, email spam filter. Goal prediction. Decide if a new email is a spam or not spam. Training data, history with answer. Thousands of old emails that people already labeled as spam are not spam. So we will train our Gmail labeling as it is a spam email, it is a not a spam email. Input features, words in the subject's body, sender, address, and presence. Our computer or machine learning tool will find subject of the email, body, sender address, and link, etc. Learning. The model studies patterns, for example, win price, suspicious link, often spam. So when we new email arrive, no label. The model predict it is a spam, and our Gmail automatically uh, filter it as in a spam email. Why supervised? Because we had labeled example to learn from data and we can measure accuracy against new label emails. So you can differentiate emails based on your supervised machine learning by giving as a labeled information. So first you will train your email, then email automatically separate your spam and not spam email. Two more quick reliable ones. Ride hailing fare estimates, for example, regression, past trips with known price teach a model to predict the fare from pickup, distance, time of day, and traffic. Photo apps face grouping classification, paste photos tagged Mom, Ali, Sarah. Let the model learn each face, then classify who is in a new photo. As like I give an example cat, dog, and sheep, and give a new photo. Our machine automatically identify it's looking like a cat. Okay, no, next question is no, it's hopefully it's clear. Supervised machine learning is based on your trained model. So in machine learning, we will train our data. We will, sorry, train our machine, train our tool based on our data set. First, we will show our tools like R Python. This is our data set, and its possible label reply. Then we will give you unknown data to machine. Then our R and Python will predict and give us its possible answer. Now, next step is there are many types of supervised machine learning like regression and forest random model and forest model. But here we also need to understand what is the difference between a regression performed by statistics and what is the regression by machine learning. So what is the difference between the regression, statistical regression, and ML regression? Regression. It's showing you a great question. Short answer, the math can overlap a linear regression, but the mindest goal and workflow different. For difference, statistical regression explain and infer relationship in data. Only show you the relationship in your data set. For example, how does X relate to Y? Is the coefficient significant? What is this 59% CI? In supervised machine learning, predict Y for the new case as accurately as possible. So in statistical, we can just show relationship. But when we perform same analysis by using machine learning tool, we can predict based on our data set. For example, what model features gives the lowest error or unseen data? You can predict based on supervised machine learning. You can give unknown answer with the help of machine learning. Now, next is side-by-side primary goal, statistic machine learning, inferences, effect size, uncertainty, or p-value you can check, while ML prediction, generalization, or low test error, assumption, explicit model assumptions, linearity, errors, normality, and homoscedasticity. Cedasticity. And in ML, favor distributional assumptions. So many things are given, but in simple, the first is good for remember. What is the difference between statistical regression and supervised? In statistical regression, it will just show you simple explanation and relationship between data, while supervised machine learning will also show you relationship but will predict your data based on your values. Now, next step, we want to perform linear regression on our data set. I have shared a data with you already with you name REG. Please confirm. Have you data set name REG? If not, let me know. Okay, I'm sharing data within group. Please check this file. Name reg. I have shared file within group. Please download and save in your working directory and type done. I have shared in WhatsApp group. Please download and type done. Save in your working directory folder. Please confirm, have you saved? If yes, type done. Okay, now next step. Import this file. Click on this file from your working directory folder. Right click. It will show you two options, view and import. Click on import dataset. Because it is CSV file, so you can import just clicking on this button. Click on import. It will be appeared in your screen number 1 as well as in screen number 2. Sorry, screen number 3. Please all participants import this file. Now our task is regression. We will perform linear regression, logistic regression. One more thing is training and test. Train the model. Train and test. As I already have given example, first we will show our data to our machine. Like I have given example like for cat, dog, and sheep. This is training. I will show C is cat. I will show to R, D is dog. I will show S is sheep. Then, after training, I will give another data like tiger to our machine and will ask for analysis. It will decide, it will compare this data with these one, and based on these data information or data labels, it will decide it's looking like a cat. Similarly, train is training is teaching our R programming about 70% data. We will show 70% data to R, and then we will test of this model on 30%, and we will validate this model is working good or not good. If our model is good, then we will proceed this model for further analysis. But first we need to validate our model. Okay, now please take str of your file. So showing information to our R programming CDS, it is a training, and then we will give a tiger image, it is a test. Then we will take its test. And then we will validate our model is fit or not fit. So first take str, reg, and run. It will show us the structure of our data set. Copy. You can train 60, 40%, 70, 30%, 80, 20%. Best is 70, 30%. Open ChatGPT and write a message. Thanks. Now I want to perform supervised machine learning. For this, I want to apply a regression model and want to train model at 70% and test 30%. Which means I want to train this model on 70% data, and then will I predict based on remaining 30% data set. For example, if I have 100 observations, 70 observation will be used as training, while 30 observation can be used for prediction or test evaluation. Okay, now send this message. You need to write another message in R. So it will give you R script. You can also perform same analysis in Python, in Google Colab and other tool also. Yes, you can click. Okay, sorry. Mathlida, I am repeating again. I just see your message. Come to R in screen number 4. You have two options. You can click on import dataset. First option which you can use. Come to screen number 3. Click on import dataset. First option is from text. Select from text and select your CSV file. Here is my CSV file, name rich. Select, it will show you preview. Click on import button. Second option, come to screen number 4. Click on file button and select your file. Click on this file. It will show you view file, import dataset. Click on import dataset and then click import. Please all participant done. Have you imported your file? If yes, type yes. If unable, please let me know. I will share your screen and import on your screen. Okay, now next step, take str of your file and open ChatGPT and write a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. Now I want to perform supervised machine learning. For this, I want to apply regression model and want to train model at 70% and test 30% in R, and paste your str and send message. ChatGPT will provide you script. It's showing here is a clean, ready to run R script that train a supervised regression model with 70-30% split, evaluate it, and show a quick plot. It fit two models, linear regression and random forest. So you can compare accuracy. Copy. You can perform separate both model and then compare which one is more accurate. But in the script, both models are given. I just need to run these lines one by one. I need to wait. Okay, now next, test, train. First, it split our data set into two parts. First is training and then test. Evaluation on the test. After running all script, it will give you output in the form of plot as well as in the form of tables. Okay. Now here important thing is our scare value. Now next step is we want to, yes, RMSE values. We want to evaluate this model. Result of both models are given. The RMSE value of first model is linear regression model. We have the result of two models in my side. Maybe on your side you have one model. If you get one model, you can run second model separately. Now, first we need to understand the difference between these parameters. Copy, open ChatGPT. Now I have result for linear regression, machine learning model, and for a random forest model. I will send this message. Here, three different terms are used. First is RMSE, MAE, and RSQ. These terms are very, very important for machine learning task because we will decide based on these terms our model is good or not good, our model is fit or not fit, which model is more accurate for our analysis. So it will give you the detailed about this results. It's showing you nice. Your results say the linear regression is currently winning. So linear regression model is good fit for this analysis, for this data set. You need to proceed with linear regression model instead of random forest model. Based on your data, based on your values, we will apply linear regression model on it. It's showing us linear regression model RMSE value 4.94, MAE value 3.96, and R square value 0.81. That means a simple interpretable model is predicting a bit better on unseen data. Below are quick upgrades you can run: no residual check and proper CV tuning RF. So if your results are good fit, then you can proceed these analysis. But first we need to understand the difference between these terminology. So I want to explain. So I find which model is perfect and what are these terms: RMSE, R square, etc. Okay, now it's showing you RMSE with formula, MEA it's for statistical formula, and R square its formula. How to choose using your results. Lower is better for RMSE and ME, higher is better for R square. It's showing you if RMSE square is low, your model is good. You can check in both. In linear regression, RMSE is 4.9, while RMSE in random forest 5.17. That's why it's less value. So linear regression is best as compared to random forest. Second term is higher is the better for R square. You also need to focus R square. The R square value of linear regression is 0.81, while in R square value in 0.80, which is low as compared to linear regression. So that's why linear regression is best. So perfect was best for you. Consider these when deciding business goal: minimize big misses, or prefer RMSE minimize. So these are not related for our tiny RH helper. Okay. No, we have done our model. So no, next step we need to explore one by one. First, we will work on regression model. Here is it showing you diagnose the linear model or residual or other QQ scores. If your model is good as compared to other model, then you need to explore more things like diagnose the linear model. No, I will copy. It will give me residual plot and QQ plot, and we'll paste in R and send. But it's showing me error. Object fitted not found. But it give me a QQ plot. So I need to check. Maybe variable name is not found here. Yes, if random forest model is low, then we need to proceed with random forest model, because random forest model will better explain our data. When you want to perform machine learning, you need to perform all possible models. For example, in our case, we have First model, linear regression model. Second, logistic regression model. Decision tree model, random forest model, sport vector machine learning models. We need to perform all, and then we need to compare which one is best. Then we will proceed with best one. Okay. Now please all participant perform this model and explore their results with the help of AI. Especially you need to focus on these three terms: RMSE, MAE, and RSQ values. These value shows you your which model is perfect. But if you only have single model, for example, I want to just apply linear regression. No, we need to understand which value is best. Is 4.9 is best or not best? So I will copy first one and will write a message. Thanks. I want to interpret and want to decide linear ML model is suitable or not, or fitted or not fitted.